Last year, we graded this manga Nami from PRB Manga Alt Art. Makikita nyo, normal slab siya ng PSA. This year, nagtaka ako kasi we open our batch 9 of submission submitted last January. It is a normal submission, so it is a typical slab like this. Same na same sila ng slab ng last year and this year. Wala namang pinagkaiba, same sila ng slab. Then we submitted another TCG from Lorcana. It is the same card. It is the same slab. Nothing much, nothing change. But nung napunta tayo sa One Piece, nung nagche-check ako, it is a brand new slab. It is more thick and naka-usli siya, naka-umbok siya ng konti dito kung makikita nyo. And mapapansin nyo, meron siyang plastic sa loob. This one is OP din. So makikita nyo, ito wala siyang plastic sa loob pero naka-umbok. Then itong Rebecca, and may plastic sa loob. What do you think, guys? Did PSA change the slab or this is an error batch? Only one piece card yung merong ganito eh. Sa batch na yun, 3 lang yung one piece. The others are Pokemon na. Yung 3 one piece na yun, ganito yung slab niya. Mas matibay, mas maganda, and may plastic pa sa loob, parang BGS. Kung makikita nyo yung BGS, mayroon siyang plastic sa loob. Like this. Kung makikita nyo, kung magre-reflect sa light. I think PSA should use this slab to their Pokemon cards. Other TCG. It's very nice, ah. Alam ko, last ako nakakita ng ganito for thick cards lang sa mga NBA. Pero, ewan ko bakit meron dito sa One Piece. Anyways guys, yun lang napansin ko. So, abangan nyo yung ating batch 9 and some of my graded slab episodes. And if you're interested on grading your cards, you can contact me for more information. Thank you guys for your support.